Hey guys, Sam from Original Garage Moto. Today we're going to talk about our OG Axial Big Brake Floating Rotor Kit for M8 Softails and Dyna models. Our 13 inches Axial Big Brake kits deliver a significant improvement in braking performance for M8 Softail and late Dyna model. Just like our touring model options, these kits relocate the stock calipers to accommodate the larger Galfer 13 inches oversized floating rotors. These kits are designed for riders who want to improve both performance and function without breaking the bank. They are a great option for all riders. For the more aggressive builds out there seeking even greater stopping power, be sure to check out our complete radial big brake kits, also available for M8 Softail and Dyna models in both single and dual disc configurations. Our kits feature fully CNC machined caliper relocation brackets. They include Galfer 13 inches oversized floating wave rotors and ARP mounting hardware for optimized brake feel and performance. They are available for single or dual disc front end setups. These will fit 2018 to present Harley M8 Softail Street Bob, Lowrider, Lowrider S, Lowrider ST, Standard, Fat Bob, and Sportline models. They'll also fit most 2006 to 17 Harley Dyna models. These kits will not fit Dyna models equipped with spoke-mounted rotors, such as Switchblade wheels and Dyna Lowrider S mags. Finally, these kits require replacing your stock brake lines. Please check out our fitment charts on our website for more information on that. Alright guys, if you have any questions regarding our wide range of big brake kits options, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. We're always here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.